This is a mesh tank with aeration inside. The aeration is done through root blowers and arrow tubes inside the tank. The mesh tank is a tank which is having a liner of 1000 GSM. They have a mesh layer encircled outside which is already galvanized so that it does not catches rust. This is the root blower. Then it is connected through drip pipe, and drip pipe has arrow tubes inside which gives aeration inside the tank. Four meters diameter mesh tank will cost you around 30,000, having a PVC liner of 1000 GSM. The tank has central drain, slope in bottom towards center for easy flush out of all your waste. This tank is 2000 liter capacity, but it is only for demonstration purpose because we are at AquaX India. So this tank is made for demonstration in the exhibition. So we have the total aeration system and all over here. Now coming down to the second tank, what we have over here is the PVC reinforced tank. It is also having aeration inside. Let me show you the aeration. This is the drip pipe, and this is the arrow tube which is giving aeration inside the tank. You see over there in the center is the central drain, that is the perforated pipe through which you can flush out your resources. Because of slope in bottom and gravitational force, you are easily able to flush out your resources. The waste and all, it will get cleared. So this is the tank. This is a PVC reinforced tank. The diameter of the tank is 4.6 meters. We are able to manufacture it in customized shapes and sizes on the request, whatever is your demand. This material is 2400 GSM PVC material. If you see these pipes, these are 80 schedule UPVC pipes. So these tanks are used for the purpose of biofloc, RAS and grow out fish farming. (2400 GSM PVC reinforced fabric having central drain, slope in bottom towards center. To install this tank, it is required approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Stay connected with us. We'll just get back to you tomorrow with other video giving more details about the tank. Thank you. This was RS Polymers.